Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone X. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns off and turns back on. Once your phone turns back on and you see the Apple logo, you can let go. Continue to hold. Let go. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers, so let's get it. If you guys don't subscribe to your channel, your internet's going to turn off. And there you guys go. Your iPhone has been hard resetted.